everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the 2024 Spooky Box from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a limited edition box. It comes out in, I guess, mid to late September for the month of October, obviously October 31st. They have this box, the Spooky Box, along with the Jolly Box in December, as well as the Cupid box in February, and then of course the Liberty box for 4th of July. These are awesome little limited edition boxes. I guess they're not little, this one's actually quite massive. If you want to compare it to the Sew Sampler box, it's a little bit larger. Anyway, there's always really great notions and fabrics and unique limited edition items that you cannot get on Fat Quarter Shop's website. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's in this year's box. First, when you open it, it says, "'Tis the season to be spooky." I love that so much. They always have a really cute little graphic in these boxes. Also, I've never thrown away one of these boxes because they're always unique every year and just so adorable. And then next, we have the insert. And what does this say? This just says the 2024 limited edition Spooky Box Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Let's see, free gift with purchase on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and hide that code. Free gift with purchase of $25 or more. What's that gift? A Pumpkin and Potions Needle Minder by Kimberbell Designs. And it retails for $10.74. So look how cute that is, $10.74 for that cute little notion. Do you consider a needle minder a notion? That's a good question. Let me know in the comments down below. Next, we have our foldable insert. We get these in our Sew Sampler boxes as well. And this just tells us the contents of the box items, as well as the prices of each of those items. Now, I can't remember if we pay the exact amount that's in this box every year, or if we make out a little bit like we do with the Sew Samplers. I will let you know at the very end how much the box total was that I actually paid for it shipped, and then I'll let you know what the amount of items were in the box to see if we had any savings. And I kind of, now that I'm really thinking about it in my head as I'm speaking to you, I think that there are savings because I think that the box, when you pre-order it, it's a little bit cheaper than it is for retail. So if it's available right now, I will go ahead and also link that down in the description box below. It just might be a couple extra dollars more than what I paid. This is our first item. This is so totally unique. I've never seen anything like this before. This is Spooky Box Leather Rotary Sheath by Riley Blake Designs. This is a box exclusive. So what that means to me is that you cannot get this on Fat Quarter Shop's website. It does retail for $21.48 because I think it's genuine leather. It smells like genuine leather. Wow, it has really beautiful scent actually. It has this cute little grommet here, so I don't know if you could attach it to something, maybe a little carabiner or a chain. Anyway, it says, "Stow away your sharp rotary cutters with this spooky special leather rotary sheath. This durable and fashionable storage solution is made in America by the artisans at Hometown Leatherworks and is decked out as an exclusive spooky box print." Okay, so maybe you can buy these, you just can't buy this print. This 100% full grain leather storage sheath holds straight rotary cutters, scissors, and snips. Whatever floats your ghost. Ha 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 ha. All right, let's see. I don't know, I kind of want to go and get a rotary cutter from the basement and see if that's gonna fit, so hold on tight. Let's go ahead and see. I don't know if you put it like blade first. You guys, I didn't think it was gonna fit. I really didn't. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's awesome. All right, I don't know. Oh, okay. That's nice if you want to store that in your bag so that nobody gets hurt. And then of course we know these will fit. These are my very favorite Tola Pink scissors. And maybe I'll just put like 2 items in there, a hair marker and my favorite Tola Pink scissors. Okay, nice. So very useful, very handy. Go ahead and get yourselves one. I'll go ahead and link below if I can actually find these in a different print. Very awesome. Okay, I'm gonna take this out of the wrap. ASMR. I don't know. This is so cute. Okay, so here we have this little jack-o'-lantern candle by Big Dipper Waxworks. It's a Spooky Box exclusive. Okay, so you can't get this anywhere else. Retails for $7.98. We're gonna go ahead and smell it. Clementine and Spruce. Okay, let's see. Okay. Maybe not my favorite scent. I think the spruce has kind of thrown me off a little bit. Just a little bit more masculine. But yeah, my husband might like it. Let me know if there were other scents, by the way. I'm kind of curious to see if anybody else got a different scent in their box. Next, we have this massive spool of ribbon. This is called Pumpkin Large Vintage Trim by Lori Holt of Be In My Bonnet Co. See if that focuses. This retails for $21.74. I'm actually a little bit surprised by that retail value. Don't forget to add a bewitching touch to your next quilt with this large vintage trim by Lori Holt of BMI Bonnet Co. In this shade of pumpkin, there are 12 yards. Okay, 12 yards is a lot. Of 1/2 inch wide trim to sew wherever you like between quilt rows, accented in quilt blocks, or layered into binding. It's not so scary to add embellishments after all. And it's on this beautiful solid wooden spool. It is really, really pretty. I think for me, I've been wanting to try the binding where you add in trim like this. It just looks so pretty and adds a little unique touch. Let me know what you would use this for below. Okay, I feel like this box just keeps getting better and better. So this is a boot to full Bobbin Topper by Fat Quarter Shop. It is a box exclusive, okay, so you cannot find this on the website. And it says these Bobbin Toppers are as useful as they are beautiful, made of flexible silicone. The set of 12 Bobbin Toppers keeps your spools and bobbins together, making it easy to keep your bobbins from bobbing away. This cute storage tin is printed with a delightful exclusive spooky box print. Retails for $6.98. Okay, let me show you what's inside of here. So I pop the little lid. And I think this is to open up this little insert here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then you have these Bobbin Toppers. All right. And I totally forget how these work. I think what happens is you put the bobbin on here. All right, I don't know if class M fits. Anyway, and then you put this in your thread, spool thread of spool. I can't talk today apparently. Anyway, you put this in your thread. Oh my gosh, your spool of thread. Okay, you put this in your spool of thread, you put the bobbin on top, and it keeps everything handy for you. And there are 4 of each color. You guys, look how cute this is. This is a candy corn triangle in a square template by Fat Quarter Shop. This is also a box exclusive. Retails for $9.98, and it says, trick or treat, give us something good to complete for our next quilt. Don't be afraid to try out the candy corn acrylic template with clear markings and easy instructions. You can make all the triangle and a square units you need for any project in a variety of sizes. So strips together for candy corn quilt blocks, and of course it lends a haunting hand in the Witchy Manor quilt pattern in this box as well. Spoiler alert. All right, so I guess maybe that's an instruction booklet. Is it upside down for you? There you go, I'm sorry. All right, awesome. This is quite large. Let's see, 7.5 inches. All right, here we have the Pumpkins and Potions Fat Quarter Bundle by Kimberbell Designs from Maywood Studio. I'll go ahead and open it in a second here. This says, Ghouls, Cauldrons, and Witches, oh my, the Pumpkins and Potions Fabric Collection by Kimberbell Designs is simply irresistible. This fantastic Halloween-inspired collection is filled with bubbling cauldrons, ominous black cats, and creepily smiling pumpkins, all paired with classic orange and black hues. With an assortment of all 9 prints in the line, Halloween has never spooked better. All right, and I will go ahead and also put a little box up here that shows you all the fabrics in the line. First up, we have this super cute print. Can't tell if it's upside down or not. It has little potion bottles on it. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, cute little blender fabric here. I don't know if somebody is superstitious or not. Instead of a 13, it's a 31. Okay, different colorway. Right, another different colorway of that 31. Now I'm just really curious, was that a typo, or is that, like, is 31 something else spooky? Can you guys let me know? Okay, we have the black colorway of this one as well, and a black colorway of that very first print I showed you guys with the potions bottles, a black colorway of that blender. So we have the Witchy Manor quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. This is also a box exclusive. Spoiler alert, it's a limited edition box. Everything is a box exclusive. Anyway, this retails for $9.98, and it says this treat-worthy quilt will haunt your quilty dreams in the best way. The Witchy Manor quilt will be witchy with its classic triangles topped with a star-filled witch hat house for the supernatural. Brew it with the Pumpkins and Potions Fat Quarter Bundle and Candy Corn Triangle in a square template in this box for a fantastic finish. Limited edition kits are available at the Fat Quarter Shop, and I haven't actually checked that, so if they are still available, I'll go ahead and link those down below as well. So let's see, this is a 40.5 inch by 43.5 inch quilt, so to me that's a wall hanging, but I don't know, maybe like a little lap quilt if you put some borders around it. Let's see, you need 1 3/4 yard for your background and your border, you need a 1/2 yard for your binding, and 2 7/8 yards for your backing. Super duper cute, I love it. All right, so let me know what you guys think. I think this might have been the best, maybe the best spooky box. I don't know, that one cat like hanger scissor thing that we got like 3 years ago was really cool too. Anyway, I think this might be the best box we've ever had. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I can pick, honestly. Maybe that leather case, just because honestly it smelled really good and it's really beautiful and it worked really well. So yeah, I hope to see you again soon. I actually have the sew sampler coming up, so I'm totally gonna see you guys again soon. Have a great day. Bye everyone, have a great weekend. All right, hopping on here to say, totally forgot to tell you the box total as well as what I paid. Okay, so right here, $68.84 shipped. That's how much I paid. And then, and that's just regular shipping, $4.95. I didn't pay for the expedited, although I should have because I got my spooky box a lot later than some other people. Anyway, and then what I actually made out with this box, it was $109.12. So let's see, let's do the math there. Minus $68.84, my goodness, 84. $40.28 we saved. And you know what? That was totally worth it. I think this box is phenomenal. Yes. Make sure next year you get it on this box. Don't miss the Jolly Box coming up. I will definitely have that in the community chat on our YouTube channel. If you don't already follow my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe and stay tuned because I will post in that community chat when the Jolly Box becomes available. All right, thanks everyone. I'll see you later. Bye.